What's happening, folks? Today I'm going to be working on this one, the Flea Market Knife Challenge. Try to get it finished up as best as I can and hopefully get it ground down to where it starts looking a bit like a knife. Here we go. So I noticed a little bit of a wiggle, and I don't plan on trying to grind out of there. So I went ahead and threw it back in the fire, and I'm going to try to straighten this thing out a little bit. Alright, got quite a bit of it ground down. That way once I harden it, it'll be a lot easier to work with. I think I'm going to do something to the back there. Don't know what yet, but once I start messing with it, figure it out. Alright guys, well, I was really hoping to get this thing drilled tonight and maybe even go in for the quench, but I left the pins at the flea market, so I think I'm going to call it a night. This is what it looks like right now. Trim that belly down a little bit, go in for the quench, then I'll start working on my handle. See you tomorrow.